Thank you, Deputy Speaker. An issue of significant concern to many of my constituents in Bradfield is the New South Wales Labor Government's proposed changes to planning rules, which would adversely impact my electorate, including the entire local government area of Ku-ring-gai and significant portions of the Willoughby and Hornsby local government areas. Under the Transport-Oriented Development Program, 20,000 new dwellings are expected within 400 metres of Gordon, Killara, Linfield and Roseville stations in 15 years. Within 400 metres of a train station or designated shopping centre, apartment buildings of up to 21 metres in height will be permitted in areas zoned as high-density residential, medium-density residential and general residential. Between 400 and 800 metres away from a train station or designated shopping centre, apartment buildings of up to 16 metres will be permitted. In areas between 400 and 800 metres away from a train station or shopping centre on any block larger than 500 square metres in size, the new rules will allow an existing freestanding home to be replaced with several terrace houses, each up to 9.5 metres in height, with multi-dwelling housing or with so-called manor houses, small two-storey apartment blocks. Duplexes can be built on any residential block so long as it's at least 450 square metres. On 29 May, the New South Wales Government provided each council with a 5-year housing target, and Ku-ring-gai Council's target was set at 7,600. There are several reasons to have concern about the process the New South Wales Government has followed and the lack of appropriate weight it has attached to some very important considerations. One of those is heritage. Many suburbs near railway lines have housing stock which is well over 100 years old, reflecting the historic importance of railways in influencing patterns of development. The likely impact of the proposed changes on Federation housing stock must be considered. This is a housing type which is distinctively Australian, representative of a vital stage of our community, and of which there is a limited stock remaining, and of that limited stock, a significant proportion of it is to be found in Ku-ring-gai. There are many village communities across our metropolitan areas which have a distinctive local character, including many such communities in the electorate of Bradfield. These characters have developed over time, but that could now be at risk. There are also environmental considerations. High-density development can result in reduced tree cover, with consequences including higher localised temperatures, reduced habitat for native wildlife, more concrete cover and hence more water runoff, and other detrimental environmental impacts. There's also the impact on parkland and bushland, because significant localised increases in population could adversely affect nearby national and other parks and areas of remnant natural bushland. And then there is the impact on local infrastructure in terms of demand for local sporting, recreational, parkland and other community facilities. It is important that these considerations are given proper weight in the planning processes.